Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where can you find your QR code on the Line application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should click on the home button down below on the left side corner. And then at the top of the screen on the right side you can find this settings button, so click on it, tap on profile at the top, then scroll down and here you can find this my QR code section, so just simply click on it and here you can find your QR code, so you can show it or send it to anyone, to your friends, and then they will be able to add you as their friends. So you can also copy it by clicking on this copy button. You can share it or save it as well. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.